The Philippines gets about 18 to 24 typhoons a year. We sit on the Pacific Ring of Fire, so we also have earthquakes, we have flooding, and with climate change, they're more and more frequent. On the ground, that feels like a lot of sort of distress when the event happens. Life can come to a standstill. It happens every year, so kind of used to it. But you just want to be able to sleep at night knowing that someone's got your back. It's really our life purpose to be there for them when they need us the most.
Patricia Chilip is Chairman and CEO of Standard Insurance, a leading general insurance company in the Philippines with a mission to bring peace of mind to all mankind. But what does that mean in practice?
Peace of mind for all mankind is really our hope for everybody, what we wish for everyone. Happiness, a sense of contentment, a sense of security. We really want to be able to make sure that our clients can sleep well at night knowing their assets are covered properly, that they have what they need. That's what we hope for everyone. Our job is really to be on the ground, to answer those calls when they need us. We have branches in 65 provinces nationwide, so we have somebody on the ground to help you tow your car or help you assess your damages or just pick up the phone and answer all your questions because we want them to sleep well at night knowing that they're covered with us. One of the challenges we face is that when an event does hit, they realize they haven't updated their values in 10 years. Even 3 years ago, after COVID, construction costs have gone up 30%, 40%. So it's so important to update your values because if you haven't updated your values, then, it's going to be a struggle when you do a claim. Because even if you get totally paid out, you're like, oh, it's not enough to reconstruct my house. That's our campaign for 2023, to make sure that our clients have updated their values, that their property is insured for, so that when a big event hits, they're really covered properly.
That must be incredibly challenging as a business, taking on and managing all of that risk.
Well, we have a really good team of underwriters. We also have all the technology behind us. We have a catastrophe risk monitoring system, a CRMS, which, you can plot a GPS point and it gives you whether a place is high risk for typhoon or flood or earthquake. And it helps us advise our clients as well in terms of how to rebuild or mitigate their risks. Of course, we have excellent reinsurers. We've had a couple of decades relationship with them and they know our underwriting and they always respond so quickly. We have some of the best in the world. So that kind of helps us respond to Philippine Cat.
So how do you find that balance between your customers' needs and your shareholders' expectations? How do you grow a successful, sustainable business?
Well, we grow organically with our partners. We are happy to be partners with the biggest banks in the Philippines and the biggest automotive companies in the Philippines. And because we share a customer base, if they grow, we grow. So we're grateful that people have approached us for partnerships like travel regionally, pet health globally, and now we have a new partnership for automotive collision in the US. So we're very excited about all these global initiatives. We find if we put one foot in front of the other, then things will take care of themselves. We do our best every day. And we find that if we do a small job well, bigger jobs come. People in the Philippines are big on social media. So if you do a good job, everyone knows. And if you do a bad job, everyone knows as well. So it keeps us on our toes and it aligns our customer expectations with our shareholder expectations. If the customer's happy, the shareholders are happy.
Your vision for 2035 is to become one of the world's top 10 finest general insurers. How do you earn that position and acclaim?
The customer experience has to be great. Our customers are millennials and Gen Z, and they want everything faster, everything digital, everything seamless. We want to be a 21st century insurer on the cutting edge of technology and being able to respond to customers' needs because they need us constantly. So we want to be part of their lives. We want to be someone who makes life less stressful. And if, God forbid, a typhoon happens, we want to be there for them as well. Our vision for the Philippines is to see a country that is prosperous, a country that is abundant, a country that is resilient from all of these NatCats, and everything we do is working towards that, being there to help our countrymen build and rebuild. By taking care of them and taking care of their needs, we will find our way to becoming one of the world's finest insurers.
Thanks for watching. Learn more at standard-insurance.com. Click now for more from this interview with Patricia Chilip, and as always, please subscribe for the latest international business insights from worldfinance.com.